Okay, on Google type download EditPlus. Now on the very first link, click on download free trial. Now we have to click on download EditPlus 5.3 version. It is a 64-bit version. Click yes. It's going to save it on your computer. Yes. Now once it is downloaded, you just have to double click on this and follow the instructions. Accept the license agreement. Yes. Start copy. Yes, it's installed. Now click on the icon, double click on this, click yes. Now OK. Yes. So we have to click on trial version. I agree. Yes. Now we are ready to use EditPlus. Now we have to click on File, New and Java. Yes. So this will show us the standard template of a class, Java class. We are going to increase the screen font. Click on Set Font. Click on Bold. And then I have made it to 16. Apply. OK. Now it's clearly visible. Now we have to set the path. Click on Tools. Now Add Tools, Program. Here we have to set how to compile it automatically. So we have to write menu text as Java compile. In the command, we have to locate for the Java compiler, that is in C program files Java JDK bin. Here we have to look for Java C. Open. Now here in the arguments, we have to give the argument that we give with the Java C file name. So we have to look for file name here. Yes, we got it, file name. And here we want to get the class file in the same directory. So we have clicked on file directory. Now we want to capture the output. So we clicked on capture output. Now to execute it, again we have to click add tools, program. Here we have to write Java run. You can give any name. Click on command. Here we have to give Java. It is in C program file Java JDK bin. Now in the arguments, that is file name without extension. Yes, file name no extension. And then again we have to click on initial directory. For that we have to again say file directory. Capture output. Action, capture output. Apply. OK. Yes, we are ready. Now give a class name test. Now we are going to save it with the name test.java. We are going to save it on desktop. Yes, save. Now it's saved. Yes, test.java, we got it on the desktop. This is the file. Now we are going to compile it. Click on tools, Java compile. We do have a shortcut for this, that is Ctrl+1. Now we can see at the bottom, yes, we got it, normal termination. That means it's compiled successfully without any errors. And we got the .class file created for it, that is test.class. Now we have to execute it. Again we will click on tools and click on Java run. And yes, we got it, hello world printed on our screen. So this is how we have to write our first Java program in EditPlus. Thank you very much.